So if you bought a brand new lawnmower and it won't start, there's a really easy way to get it to start. The problem is, like on this mower, there's nowhere to turn the gas on or off. There's no choke. You pretty much just pull start it and that's it. All you have to do is take this off, and you need some starting fluid, and you spray this in your air filter. Then what you do is you're gonna hold this down, and once you get it started, don't let go of this. Let it run for about 5 minutes so that you can create that suction that's gonna suck the gas up. So that's it, starting fluid. Thanks for watching. Leave comments below and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe. See you guys next time.